Hi there.
We are
We are
Fleming
Fleming
Forestry
Forestry
Technician
Technicians,
students,
and we are going to talk about American ginseng. So, American ginseng is actually a herbaceous perennial plant which is commonly found in central United States and southeastern parts of Ontario, which includes Quebec also. And it is considered as an endangered species because of its growing demands in the commercial markets, and it is considered as a traditional medicine which is used in the Chinese markets. So, what's American ginseng or wild ginseng? So, this is actually a perennial plant and it is aromatic. So, the roots are considered to have the medicinal properties, and the roots are used in the Chinese traditional medicines. And it resembles more similar to the small parsnip roots, and it is usually found in Ontario and in Quebec, and is considered as a threatened species in Quebec and endangered species in Ontario. And due to its specialized environmental conditions and the growing demands in the commercial markets, so it has gained a status as an endangered species in Ontario. So, talking about its status means the reason for it being considered as an endangered species is because it is negatively affected by deer browsing, urbanization, land fragmentation, etc. One more thing to say is that Ontario is the largest producer in the world of wild ginseng, and also the largest exporter of ginseng. So that's pretty much about the introduction about wild ginseng or American ginseng.
some of the cool things about wild ginseng. American ginseng, scientifically known as Panax quinquefolis, is often taken by people orally as tablets to treat stress, to boost the immune system, and as a stimulant. American ginseng is also used to treat airway infections such as flu, common cold, and many other diseases. But there is no specific scientific evidence for this. Do you know how does it works as a medicine or as a stimulant? Actually, American ginseng contains chemicals called ginsenosides that act as an insulin to lower the blood sugar levels in the body. So it's used to treat diabetes patients, and some researchers shows that taking American ginseng before 2 hours before a meal can lower the blood sugar levels in the patients, in the diabetes patients. It's used to treat type 2 diabetes patients. Some other chemicals in American ginseng, like polysaccharides, also affect the immune system of our body.
So, talking about the side effects of American ginseng. So, American ginseng is actually used in treating diabetes, as it is said before. But high or excess doses of American ginseng can lead to lowering your sugar level too much. So, you have to monitor your sugar level when you're taking American ginseng. So, it is also not advised in pregnant ladies because it can lead to serious birth defects in children, and also it can even affect your estrogen levels. So it is actually used to treat fibroids and ovarian cancer, etc. But still it can trigger your estrogen production, so it can affect your hormone levels. And one of the other side effects of ginseng is sleeping disorder or insomnia, and also it can also cause your schizophrenia or mental disorder also. So it is not usually recommended to be taken by pregnant ladies or people who are having diabetes, but still it is claimed that it can lower the blood sugar level. But there are no scientific evidence of ginseng being used to treat diabetes, but it's just a claim that it can lower your blood sugar level. So these are the some of the side effects of using ginseng.
So thank you for spending some time with us to know or to get a little knowledge about American ginseng. I'm Tony.
This is Sindhu.
Thank you. Have a nice day.